Hello, my name is Caleb Coffey, and in this presentation I will go over the results of the Aircraft Feasibility Study Selection Matrix. Shown here is the agenda for the presentation. I will briefly touch on the background of this effort, weight factors developed from input provided by interviews of key travelers, touch on each of the category scores from the selection matrix, reveal the aircraft with the most points, and conclude with highlights of that winning aircraft. In the past weeks, I have been presenting information from my research regarding the benefit of Fictious Incorporate to purchase a corporate aircraft. As a bit of a review, I am looking at the Pilatus PC-12NG, the Grand Caravan EX, the Citation M2, and the Citation Latitude. As I look closer at the details, I am narrowing down the options as I consider the positives and negatives of the four chosen aircraft. After interviewing key travelers of Fictious Incorporate, we assigned a weight factor to the following categories. For purchase price, we had a weight factor of 4, and the Grand Caravan EX came out on top at a price of $2,527,900. For age, we had a weight factor of 3, and because we had selected the same model year, all aircraft scored equally. For value factor, we had a weight factor of 3 and a score of 98,760 for the Citation Latitude. For cabin volume, we had a weight factor of 3 and a score of 837. The Citation Latitude wins again. For weight loading, we had a weight factor of 3, and the Citation Latitude again scored above the rest with a score of 56.8. For payload with max fuel, we had a weight factor of 4. Here we see the Grand Caravan edge out the Pilatus and Latitude with a score of 1,086. For range with max payload, we had a weight factor of 3 and a score of 2,678, which the Latitude won by a large margin. For direct operating cost per hour, we had a weight factor of 3 and a score of $522 that went to the Caravan. For maintenance cost per hour, we had a weight factor of 3 and a score of $79, which the Caravan scored the best. After all the weight factor values were applied to each of the categories and the aircraft scored against them, the Pilatus PC-12NG came out on top. The categories that help influence scoring for each aircraft were mainly cost related. The goal is to keep costs down and the business making a profit. So categories such as purchase price, payload with max fuel, direct operating cost per hour, and maintenance costs were of great influence.